I said I was quick, but I'm not. I'm going for to wait for it. Oh, smell the diesel. Oh, and it's noise.
I know.
I'm just saying. I didn't mean to anything. I'm the boss here. Yeah. Sorry to bother you.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. You're fine.
There she is. Straight pipe. That's what I'm talking about. I got it. I got it. Damn. What a straight pipe. Phenomenal. Sounds so good. Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, I'm super excited to meet the new, not the new, 2021 Dodge Ram, whatever. I forget to spell the name, but it's with the Hellcat engine on it. Check it out. Oh my goodness. This thing look like it's lifted and different wheels on it, but it doesn't say anything except 6.2 liter supercharger. Whew. I love this thing more than any truck, in my opinion. Okay, it's fast because it's got the Hellcat engine on it. So this one has the Hellcat engine, and the Dodge Durango has the Hellcat. It's way better than the Ford F-150 Shelby. Again, it's in my opinion. Everyone is different. So please don't comment bad below. Thank you very much. It's just literally shot in my eyes. And when she just first flew up into the UPS right here, she's dropping off the stuff from Amazon, and she let me do it. But in the meantime, I will let you guys see how it sounds. It's got straight pipe on it. See? Oh, I know. TRX. Black Hot Ram's active terrain damage. Oh my gosh. FIM suspension. Oh, this thing is so sweet. Black and white go with everything. To be honest, it's the best trim package. I think the owner took up the TRX. That's right. It just looked like a regular Dodge. 4x4. Oh, right there. There we go. There you go. TRX. Oh my God. Look at that. Straight pipe. Oh my God. I love to see how it sounds so badly. So I'm just gonna wait for her once she get out of here. And then I'll let you guys hear it. I love the way she custom. Super nice. 3 LED running light, daytime. Oh my gosh, this is sharp. Looking good, isn't it? Whew. So this thing is really rare. Brand new 2023 that I looking at the dealer the other day. It's like over 100K, man. Everything right now at the dealership is over 100K, to be honest. Even the regular Dodge Hellcat Challengers is super expensive because you know what it is, right? Markup. Price is insane, but it's okay because you get the best engine base. 6.2 liters supercharger V8 came from straight from Hellcat. See, 20 minutes, it's still in here, so I give up anyway. See, it's happened 20 minutes, but she's not coming out yet, so I give up. I mean, it's really nice though, but it's taking forever at the UPS store, so I'm like, okay, done. Bye-bye. Sorry, I won. Give up. And that's the sound of the Excursion. For Excursion Limited. That one is V10. It's not the Hellcat sound straight pipe, okay? Just wait for it. Honestly, it's taken forever. I just want to hear how it sounds on the TRX straight pipe, but forever. Okay, no worries, but I'm just saying anytime you like to. Yeah? You're welcome. Smell so bad. And he's parking here for like 30 minutes. Do you speak English? Yes. Oh my God.
What do you want?
No, I'm just saying the truck just left. Irritate my job. It's so